In this high-tech 21st century, people's safety awareness increases day by day, and the demand for security exists everywhere: street, metro station, park, in-house, etc. XONZ Technology Limited, based at Shenzhen, China, is a high-tech enterprise engaged in designing, manufacturing, and selling HD IP camera and MVR. In 1997, our factory was founded in Dongguan, named Chang'an Tongshun Electric Factory, and honored to become the cooperative manufacturer of some national famous companies such as BBK and Foxconn, etc. In 2000, we became the first MP3, MP4, and MP5 supplier of Walmart in Dongguan. In 2003, we started to engage in CCTV industry, experiencing 4 stages: analog monitoring, digital monitoring, network HD monitoring, and intelligent monitoring. In 2012, our own brand XONZ Security was established. Since then, we've been unswervingly following brand line. Now, we have set up a large manufacturing base containing 12 production lines, adopting high-speed SMT machines imported from Japan, and SMT processing plant, processed powerful OEM and ODM capabilities. Besides, we have advanced R&D lab and a modern office in Shenzhen focusing on R&D and marketing. By making full use of our own superiority, excellent reputation, perfect management, solid strength, and striving to make every client gain most benefit to achieve a win-win situation, XONZ Security won customers' widespread acclaim. Now, our products have passed CE, FCC certification and are exported to over 100 countries and regions worldwide. Let's join hands for a secure and a bright future. Shenzhen XONZ Technology Limited.